the end result, I'm quite happy. Definitely a nice look. And this is a really basic kit that you get, but it's, you know, it doesn't come with a manual or anything, so it can be quite tricky to figure out, especially that last bolt up there. It was really annoying. Yeah, if you have the same issue as me, just try the foam thing, or you can have a piece of paper in the socket and it should help you to push it, you know, up into the threads. Here's what you basically will get in this kit. So you will get a bracket right here that you will install these 2 Phillips screws here, and then you will get 3 additional screws that you will go 1 there, here, and here. And then you'll have this big metal bracket right here that you see that I installed here. So here you have the 2 bolts that you will get. The type of bolts is, I mean, it's going to be different from the kit that you buy. In my case, this is a Allen key right here. So let's see what this is. I can't remember what this is. It should be a yeah, I think this is an 8. And when you install these bolts right here, remember this is going to be very tight because the chassis is painted and the threads are painted as well, so it's going to be very tight. So that's why I have left it there. And then you have this metal bracket right here. So when you install this, you see that a little groove there. You need to have that over this one, so it's not going to be below. This part is going to be over here. So let's do that. So this is the end result right here. As you can see, I have mounted the 2 bolts underneath, and then you have the, you know, the last one up here. Now the last one up there is going to be a real pain in the ass to get in there. So what I ended up doing, I actually put some foam in here. So basically, if you have the same issue as me, you have the screw in there and it goes too far into the socket, you can just push some foam in there and that will actually help it push it out towards the threads in there. And yeah, so that's just a tip right there.